So you have probably heard it 100 times. Just use Canva. Now look, Canva is generally great, but here is what nobody is talking about. In 2026, there are 5 completely free AI design tools that are doing things Canva literally cannot do. And some of them are so good. They are making professional designers stop what they are doing and making them switch. So in this video, I'm going to break down those 5 tools, what they are actually good at and what they are not, and which ones are worth adding to your workflow. Stay until the end because tool number 5 is the one that surprised me a lot. Hey, welcome back to Zestify Designs, the channel where I cover the latest and the greatest design tools for design, so you don't have to spend time searching or them yourself. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because I drop a video every week. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into it. Tool number 1 is the Microsoft Designer. Now I know what you are thinking. Microsoft? Really? But hear me out. Microsoft Designer is completely a free AI-powered design tool that lives inside your browser. You type a prompt, something like create a social media post for a coffee shop with a warm, cozy vibe. And within a second, it generates multiple design options that are honestly stunning. What makes it stand out from Canva is the AI image generation built directly into the design workflow. You are not just picking from the templates. The AI is generating custom backgrounds, illustrations, and layouts specific to your prompt. And it integrates with DALL-E, which means the image quality is top tier. The interface is clean, it's intuitive, and if you have a Microsoft account, you can access it for free right now at designer.microsoft.com. For social media posts, presentations, and quick branded graphics, this tool is genuinely impressive. The one limitation is that it's less flexible than Canva for very custom layout, but for speed and AI generation, it's hard to beat. Tool number 2 is Adobe Express. And before you say, but Adobe is expensive, I need you to know that Adobe Express has a very generous plan that gives you access to a solid chunk of its features. Adobe Express is like Canva, but with Adobe's design DNA packed in. You get professional templates and AI text-to-image generator through Firefly, and this is the big one, a background remover that works incredibly well even on the complex images. For designers, the big advantage here is the brand consistency. Adobe Express lets you set up a brand kit with your colors, fonts, and logo, and then every template you use automatically adapts to your brand. That's a massive time saver actually. And because it's Adobe, you know the output quality is going to be polished. If you are already in the Adobe ecosystem, Adobe Express is a no-brainer to add to your free toolkit. Tool number 3 is the one that's been blowing up in the design community. It's called Kittl, and it is incredible for typography heavy designs. If you do a poster, merch design, vintage branding, or anything that requires beautifully styled text effects, Kittl is going to feel like a superpower. It has a library of stunning vintage, retro, and modern text styles that you can apply and customize with just a few clicks. What I love about Kittl is that it feels like it was designed by designers for designers. It's not just another template tool. It actually understands how typography works in design. The free plan gives you access to a large portion of library, and you can export your designs in standard formats. So if your target audience includes merch designers, logo designers, or anyone doing print work, this is a tool worth putting on your radar. Tool number 4 is the Pixlr AI, and specifically its AI features, because Pixlr has completely transformed itself into an AI-first design tool. Pixlr has been around for a while as a photo editor, but its new AI tools are what make it worth talking about in 2026. The AI image generator lets you create visuals from text prompts, but here is what really useful is the AI background generator and the generative fill feature. Whether you select any part of the image and tell the AI to fill it with something new. Think of it like a free, simpler version of Adobe Photoshop's generative fill. For product mockups, photo editing, and creating unique visual assets, Pixlr AI is generally useful, and it's free in the browser with no download required. The free plan does have some daily limits on AI generation, so it's not unlimited, but for most design projects, you will have more than enough. The one that surprised me a lot is Looka. Now Looka is primarily known as a logo maker, and yes, you need to pay to download your final files. But here's the thing, the exploration phase is completely free. That free phase is incredibly valuable. You can spend time in Looka generating and exploring AI-powered logo concepts, brand color palette, typography combinations, and brand identity ideas, all for free. It's one of the best tools out there for rapid brand identity ideation. If you're a freelance designer and you want to quickly mock up brand options to show a client, Looka gives you a head start. You generate the concepts for free, take inspiration, and then build the final version yourself in your own design tools. It's actually a creative shortcut that a lot of designers are sleeping on. Alright, so those are the 5 design tools which are giving Canva a real run for money in 2026. To recap, Microsoft Designer for AI generated layouts, Adobe Express for brand consistency, Kittl for typography and field design, Pixlr AI for photo editing and generative fill, and Looka for brand ideation and inspiration. Now here's my question for you. Are you already using any one of these, or is there a free tool that I missed you think should be in the list? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. It generally helps this channel grow and helps me keep making videos for you. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the time. I cover new design tools every week, so you are always up to the date. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.